We're talking about the UK2 Pence 1993 coin, and we're going to discuss how you can sell it through a heritage auction. The UK2 Pence 1993 coin is a rare and valuable piece that has gained a lot of attention from coin collectors worldwide. So, how do you go about selling your UK2 Pence 1993 coin through a heritage auction? Here are the steps you need to follow. 1. Research the coin's value. Before you put your coin up for auction, you need to have a good idea of its value. You can do this by consulting with a reputable coin dealer or researching recent sales of similar coins. 2. Contact heritage auctions. Once you have an idea of your coin's value, you can contact heritage auctions and speak with one of their numismatics experts. They will be able to guide you through the process of consigning your coin for sale. 3. Fill out the necessary paperwork. You will need to fill out some paperwork to consign your coin for sale. This will include a consignment agreement, a description of the coin, and any other relevant information. 4. Send the coin to heritage auctions. Once you have completed the paperwork, you will need to send your coin to heritage auctions. They will take care of the rest, including authenticating and grading your coin, photographing it, and listing it in their auction catalog. 5. Wait for the auction. Once your coin is listed in the auction catalog, you will need to wait for the auction to take place. Heritage auctions typically hold several coin auctions throughout the year, so you may need to wait a few months before your coin is up for sale. 6. Collect your payment. If your coin sells, heritage auctions will collect the payment from the buyer and send you your share of the sale price, minus their commission. Selling your UK2 Pence 1993 coin through a heritage auction is a great way to get the best possible price for your valuable coin. With their expertise and reputation, you can be sure that your coin is in good hands. So, if you're ready to sell your coin, get in touch with heritage auctions today and start the process.